Clutter chaos? This rolling cart is the storage MVP you didn't know you needed. You know the struggle: papers piling up, kitchen counters drowning in gadgets, bathroom essentials scattered everywhere. You need storage, but who has the space for bulky furniture? Enter the Simple Houseware Heavy Duty 3-tier metal utility rolling cart, the ultimate space-saving powerhouse designed to tame your clutter and add a sleek, modern touch to any room. Whether it's your office, kitchen, bathroom, or craft corner, this rolling cart keeps essentials within reach while eliminating mess. With sturdy metal construction, smooth rolling wheels, and a compact yet spacious design, this cart is your instant organization upgrade. Forget flimsy storage options that wobble and break. This heavy-duty metal cart is built tough, crafted from solid steel. It holds everything from office supplies to kitchen essentials, beauty products, and tools. The 3-tier design maximizes vertical space, giving you ample room without hogging your floor. Need to move it? The smooth gliding casters make it effortless. Plus, 2 lockable wheels ensure stability when parked. Whether you're rolling it from room to room or keeping it stationary, this cart works with you, not against you, a true game changer for flexible storage solutions. Ever had a cart that drifts away like it has a mind of its own? Not this one. The heavy-duty 2-inch casters provide smooth, controlled movement, while the 2 lockable wheels keep it securely in place when needed. Need your office supplies by your desk one moment and out of sight the next? Just push, pull, and roll, no heavy lifting required. The modern curved handle makes maneuvering a breeze, while the ventilated mesh baskets keep airflow steady, preventing dust buildup. Smart, functional, and stylish, just how storage should be. Flimsy plastic carts and unstable shelves don't stand a chance against this sturdy metal beast. The black steel frame isn't just sleek, it's built for durability, capable of handling heavy loads without bending or wobbling. Whether you're stacking it with books, cleaning supplies, kitchen gear, or office equipment, this cart holds up without breaking a sweat. Unlike cheap alternatives that warp or crack, this simple houseware rolling cart is an investment in long-term organization, making your space functional, stylish, and stress-free for years to come. Why waste money on overpriced storage units when you can have affordable, high-quality, and multifunctional organization in one sleek design? The Simple Houseware 3-tier rolling utility cart is the ultimate storage upgrade that won't break the bank. Easy to assemble, easy to use, and easy on the eyes, it transforms clutter into tidy efficiency, so you can spend less time searching for stuff and more time enjoying your space. Ready to declutter and roll your way to a more organized life? Click Add to Cart now and make messy rooms a thing of the past.